Dear student, today we are going to learn study of financial statement, lecture 3rd, problem, loss on sale of assets given in this problem, vertical income statement. In last lecture also we learned income statement. In this problem, one is different adjustment, which is loss on sale of assets given. The following balances appear in the books of Messrs. Bhushan Limited for the year ended 31st March 2018. You are required to prepare a revenue statement in vertical form. The student here, they are given balance, not given income statement. As per given balance, we should prepare the income statement in vertical form. Just I am going to read the problem. Opening stock 50,000, net profit brought down from previous year 60,000, office rent 5,000, carriage inward 20,000, general reserve 40,000, wages 72,000, octroi 5,000, office staff salaries 40,000, audit fees 20,000, advertisement 25,000, finance expenses 25,000, loss on sale of assets 30,000, depreciation and plant and machinery 15,000, furniture 16,000, delivery van 14,000, sales returns 20,000, profit on sale of investment 5,000, loss by fire 5,000, closing stock 40,000, purchases 2 lakhs, postage and telegrams 5,000, provision for tax 30,000, sales 6 lakhs 20,000, dividend on share held 25,000, carriage outwards 5,000, warehouse expenses 5,000, import duty 3,000, proposed dividend 35,000. These are the balances given in this problem. We should these balances into vertical form as a income statement or revenue statement in the books of Bhushan Limited. Messrs. Bhushan Limited revenue statement for the year ended 31st March 2018. Dear student, in this problem, sales are given. Sales is the revenue from operation, and income statement first heading is revenue from operation. Under this heading, sales, gross sales 6 lakhs 20,000 is given here. Less returns, after deduction of returns 20,000, net sales is 6 lakhs. Less cost of goods sold. Now we have to calculate cost of goods sold as per the given balances. Opening stock 50,000, add purchases 2 lakhs, carriage inwards 20,000, octroi 5,000, import duty 3,000, depreciation on plant and machinery 15,000, total 2,93,000, less closing stock 40,000, after deduction of 14,000, balance is here 2,53,000, less operating expenses, wages 72,000, total 3,25,000 as a cost of goods sold. After deduction of cost of goods sold, gross profit is 2,75,000. This is a gross profit. Less operating expenses, In operating expenses, first administrative expenses, rent 5,000, staff salaries 40,000, audit fees 20,000, depreciation on furniture 16,000, postage and telegrams 5,000. Total administrative expenses 86,000. Finance expenses 25,000. It is given as per balances. Selling and distribution expenses. Under selling and distribution expenses, advertisement 25,000, carriage outward 5,000, warehouse expenses 5,000, depreciation on delivery van 14,000. Total selling and distribution expenses is 49,000. Total operating expenses is 1,60,000. After deduction of operating expenses, operating profit is here ascertained 1,15,000. Add non-operating incomes. Here dividend received given in problem. Dividend on shares held 25,000. Profit on sale of investment 5,000. Total 30,000. It is a non-operating income received. After addition of non-operating income, total profit is 1,45,000 less non-operating expenses and losses. Loss on sale of assets 30,000. Loss by fire 5,000. Total 35,000. It is a total non-operating expenses after deduction of non-operating expenses. Net profit before tax 1,10,000. Less provision for tax 30,000. After deduction of provision for tax, net profit after tax 80,000. Add net profit of previous year 60,000 less transfer to general reserve 1,40,000. Here total profit after tax is 1,40,000 less transfer to general reserve 40,000. After deduction of retained earning or net profit is 1 lakh transfer to balance sheet. Note here contingent liability proposed dividend rupees 35,000.